Yo, what up? Showing you how to get some curling out of your foils. This is one I just cured, time wipe. It just recently looked that way. So we pop it into this little Card Kingdom case of desiccant. Okay, now desiccant is one of the only real ways that you can remove moisture from a foil. They collect moisture by existing, and foils will bend more. That's just how it works. So you leave this thing in here, typically for maximum results, 1 to 2 minutes. And this is the product here. This is can I get that in frame? I'll get it in frame at the end. It's like $10 on Amazon for about 200 of them. Don't leave home without them. Stuff these in my deck boxes. I've restored some really nice foils that are really old, and you know, I see videos on YouTube where it says like put them over like a heater or some shit, or like a hair dryer, but that doesn't really work. You're just heating the card up and it's steaming, and as soon as it starts steaming the air off, when you take the heat off of it, it's gonna reabsorb water vapor faster than ever. I mean, I'm pretty sure that's like some thermodynamics, because I've tried it. I've tried putting them in a book. RIP, press F for the Goblet of Fire. Put them inside the spine. Tied a shoelace around it super tight. Yeah, doesn't do anything, because you can't manipulate something that is water damaged like this. The only thing you can do is extract the water, and you can't do it through methods like with heat, because you're just creating steam, and you know that doesn't work. That's like when you're boiling rice and there's like water on the top of the pan that you've got it boiling in. It's going to condensate and go right back into the card. But seeing those videos and people say, oh wow, it really works. I wonder if they wait around, I don't know, 2 minutes until they examine the card again. But when you're done with it, you're gonna want to put it in a sleeve pretty quick. And if you keep it in there long enough, what it'll start to do is sort of bend this way, like that. And that's fine. That's not damaging the card. That is what a card does when it has no moisture in it, when it's arid. And if you let it sit back, in a temperate area, it'll get its sanity back and go back to its normal shape. If you're a foil connoisseur like me, this is a lifesaver. You don't want to be that guy, having a fully foiled out modern deck, and you're having to use KMC hards, and your deck is almost as big as a commander deck, and the sleeves are still bent. So don't do that, please. You're actually spending more money on the KMC hards than you are on this. So I left this one. This time wipe was about as bad, or I think it was a little worse. It was like going on like this. It took about 5 minutes. So patience is a virtue. It's not magic. It's Yu-Gi-Oh! So this is about finished. I think I've had it in here for about 3 minutes because I'm starting to see it, this corner here, bending upwards, which means this side is free of moisture. So, see in the corners, bottom side. Use a little bit. The location of the packet does make a difference. And the fact that this has a little bit of leverage on that end. So, real quick. You can even see that there. You can see that working. So yeah, the first thing you want to do is, if you've got it to the point where it's backwards bent, let it sit out for a second, 5-10 seconds, and put it in a sleeve. If not, go directly to sleeving it. So we're going to take this out. Alright, staying on camera. Staying on camera, not trying to cheat. Alright. Before and after. It's the truth, folks. So, don't put your cards over a heater or something stupid like that. Just, go on Amazon and get your dry desiccant. Dry and dry. Peace out.